coming up.
Hey guys, it's Jake here. So this is part 2. So you're watching right now is part 2. So and we just been down there. I went on a swing and I got inside of my thighs leaked and it ached. So about to so I'm worn out. Is that funny, Ian? So Ian's not here. Ian's not with me today, unfortunately. I'm sorry, but yeah, we've got Wet Henry. So, and just I can't stop being funny. I can't stop being funny. So, and think so. I'm at the bowling now. So yeah, and anyway, 3 days of walking this week. I'm at Brockholes tomorrow. So remember, last time I went Brockholes until that night. So that night, was it last year? No, I can't remember what day I went. So that night, it was so beautiful. I had to record the view because it was very lovely. So it's very, very lovely there. I went there. So my voice is getting tired. So I think we're heading to the cafe over there. So there's some other people there. Look at that view, guys. Did you see it? Lovely view. Can you see it? Are you filming me? No. She does it all the time, every time I film. So I had to edit it out. So I'm not editing me out. I think we're going to the path now, so I'm gonna So I really like this path. It reminds me of the Haley's Co-op. It really is. So the times are coming on this path. Let me show you. Missing all the times we come on this path. So I'm filming Haley right now. So and missing all the times we come on this path. So and my hair's been blown. So I have to hold it. I'm holding my hair. Got to look where I'm going. As I keep tripping up these days. So holding this because I've not hurt myself, just in case my hair is breaking the law. That don't make sense. My throat's being tickled again. So here we go. So here we go. Did it. Here's Wet Henry. I think Hayley is back gonna bath Henry when she gets home. Henry's gonna be bathed. Henno. So Henry, I'll be filming you in a minute. Hayley and Henry's going to be baffed. Let's get the dirt off him. Here we go again. Well, I'm going to the edge.
Sounds pretty lame.
Enough!
So cool.
Alright then, so we're just in the house now, so we got in the house now, so, and who's here? Hello. How you doing? Want to say hi, Cam? Gonna say hello? He's not really looking at the camera, is it? Can't remember, is it Ivy or Henry? I'm getting mixed up now. So, I did the doorbell. I'm very tired out. So yeah, I went a different way this time. So, and had a wrap. So, at the cafe. And I might take this fleece off. Yeah, I'm changed. I'm gonna go and head outside. Look. Did I was up Bruce? Was gonna record you. So just in case I spot them. Here's one, Bruce. Henry's being bathed. He's been in muddy water. Belly bump. Belly rub. Betty Kane. Who wants it? Got a stick. It's fully a stick throwing challenge in a minute. Oh, make sure I'm gonna prank the doorbell.
Oh no, you are not pranking the doorbell.
It got too much. I'm not going to do it anymore. It got too much a bit. Yeah, it got too much.
Who found it too much?
Amy did.
Did she?
Yeah.
Way too much when you set dogs off bar.
Henry, can I have the stick back?
Henry, I told you, go and look in that corner there for one. You need to, he's called Henry Tuesday. So you need to throw one, and then he'll bring it back, and then you throw the other one in, and he'll drop the first one. I just couldn't find enough sticks when we were out to do it.
Alright, fine, I'll find one.